When my blow dryer recently went out, I was super devastated and knowing I was going to have to replace it, but I have been so thrilled with this one. I looked at lots of different dryers on all price ranges, and I really think that this one is so amazing, and I have to show you some of these amazing differences from the other ones I looked at. First, it's packaged beautifully, and it comes with 3 attachments for all of your different needs and a little cleaning brush. It's wrapped beautifully, and it has a 9-foot cord, which is plenty of length. It has so many different customizations that I couldn't even believe how many there were, including scalp care, gloss, temperature control. I love that I can pop the filter off to clean it. I love that these attachments are magnetic so they can snap on and off super easily, but they're tight enough to stay. This twist to be portable was such a game changer for me because not only is it lightweight, but now compact, so it will fit wonderfully in my bag. The airflow is amazing, nice and strong. I went from a 30-minute blow dry to 10 minutes. I love all of these customizations and that you can actually choose the temperature. It has a cool shot button, and there are just so many wonderful benefits to this. It works amazingly well, better than I could have ever even hoped for, and I would highly recommend this.